Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane for Monday, July 20th, 2015. The next week features a periodic threat of showers and thunderstorms, but largely around the mountains. Winds will be breezy from time to time, and this may lead to some fire weather concerns, especially early this week. And temperatures are forecast to become more seasonal after today. Here is an overview of the weather picture and the systems that have the potential to impact the inland northwest over the next week. Point 1 shows the upper system that moved in last night and early this morning. This will continue to exit, and any lingering shower and thunderstorm chances across the Canadian border will end as much drier air comes in behind it. Point 2 shows the next system that will move through the region between Tuesday night and Thursday night. Point 3 shows a third system that approaches towards next weekend into early next week. Models are inconsistent in the precise timing of that system. Our most immediate concern is fire weather. Cooler air begins to move in behind the system that passed this morning, but much drier air moves in as well. The inland northwest will be squeezed between the exiting system and the approaching system. This will continue to provide breezy conditions. The image here shows the red flag warnings currently in effect. The area shaded in pink goes through 8 p.m. this evening. The area shaded in orange shows the red flag warnings that go through 8 p.m. Tuesday. In this latter area, winds are expected to remain strong enough to warrant this longer time. So here is a look at the wind speed forecast. This image shows the speeds for this evening. We are expecting the strongest winds near the lee of the Cascades, with speeds ranging from 20 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts up to 35. Farther east, speeds around 15 to 20 miles per hour are projected. These will decrease somewhat after sunset, but I generally expect some breeziness through the night. This image shows the wind speed on Tuesday, which remains stronger near the Cascades to the Waterville Plateau, but decrease a little bit east of here. And here is the minimum relative humidity forecast for this afternoon. Values are projected to be 2 to 3% lower on Tuesday. So the combination of these lower relative humidity values and the previously discussed winds are the reason for the red flag warnings. This environment is conducive for the potential for rapid fire growth with any new or ongoing fires. So on to the main shower and thunderstorm chances for the week. Overall, we are not expecting any big threat of precipitation. The image here shows the average storm track through much of the period, indicated by the red arrow, and the average location of the threat of showers and thunderstorms, indicated by the green shaded area. The core of these systems remain in Canada, or they just skim by northern Washington and North Idaho. So western Washington, northeast Washington, and northern Idaho will have the primary chances. Some showers or thunderstorms may also creep towards the Blue Mountains, Camas Prairie, and Central Panhandle from the remains of a tropical system and the general monsoonal flow, but at this time the threat is small. While the precipitation chances through the week overall are not high, the best opportunity appears around Wednesday and Thursday, and then again toward the weekend. However, by the weekend, models diverge over the precise timing of the system's passage. With each system, we could see some breezy conditions, and we will have to monitor the fire weather conditions. Yet at this time, none carries a strong signal to favor any day after Tuesday that might require a highlight. Now let's look at some overall trends. Over the next 7 days, the general forecast for Wenatchee shows our warmest days Monday, followed by a general cooling trend that puts temperatures closer to seasonal averages, at least for afternoon highs. And if you follow the relative humidity trace, you can see a relative increase in moisture after Tuesday. And if you look to the winds, you can see the afternoon breeziness, but right now nothing much above 15 miles per hour after Tuesday. Spokane's 7-day forecast trend shows similar trends, with temperatures closer to seasonal averages and the afternoon breeziness, but again, speeds generally remain below 15 miles per hour after Tuesday. Lastly, on to the 18 to 14-day outlook. The Climate Prediction Center is calling for near to above normal temperatures and drier than normal conditions for the Pacific Northwest. Please monitor our forecasts of the week for updates. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for tuning into this weekly weather briefing.